Hello?
Hi, Rosie.
Oh, hi, Cathy. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm going on vacation for a week.
Oh.
I won't be able to watch the Little Fairy Bakery. Don't worry, I got somebody to watch it while I'm gone.
Oh, okay. Have a good time.
Okay, thanks. See you when I get back.
Bye.
Bye.
After you deliver this, can you check on the Little Fairy Bakery?
Okay. What a mess! I have to tell Rosie!
Come on, you gotta see this! What? The Little Fairy Bakery! Come on!
Come on! What a mess! See, what did I tell you? Who put Mootoo in charge?
Crazy Cathy. If you like this video, click like. It looks like this. Check out this video. I can't believe Cathy made Mootoo in charge of Little Fairy Bakery.
Yeah. You stay there and behave yourself and be a good monkey.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.
3, 2, 1, go!